just finished signing number 2 for the day. So from 9 o'clock to 10:45, I've made $300. Biggest loan signing agent is the best kept secret in the real estate industry.
9:30 to 10:45, and he made $300. Yo, what's up guys? Felix from Giant Lifestyle. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can actually tap in and make $150 per hour having some real estate knowledge and approving signatures. Now, before we actually get into today's video, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys enjoy videos like financial freedom, success, and becoming the best version of yourself. We're on track to 10,000 subscribers. And once I hit 10,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be doing a massive cash giveaway. Now, until then, drop a comment because I'm gonna be picking the best comment going forward on every single video and cash apping you $50. Now, also, if you support and like what I do, be sure to check out my merchandise store. I dropped 3 different shirts with more to come. 2, a black and white t-shirt with my logo on it, and the next one is a white shirt that says the bank over the club. So if you guys like what I do, be sure to support the movement and pick up some merchandise. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Good morning, everybody. Everyone always asks me, Mark, do you really do 6 to 7 closings every day? As you can see behind me, I'm going into my first loan signing of the day. So follow me throughout the day. Everyone's been asking me, Mark, take me through your day as a busy signing agent. Show me in the day life of Mark. I teach the loan signing system for those who just started following me. I'm going to show you how you can make great money as a signing agent.
So I have actually taken this course myself, and I know courses are really thrown around in this online marketplace. People say courses are ripoff, but I look at courses in 2 ways, or actually 1 way. You can either use your time or your money. So even though I sell programs and courses myself, I'm still an active buyer of courses and programs because I would rather leverage my money over my time. Could I figure out exactly how to do loan signings by myself? Yes, but this course is actually one of the best courses I've taken and one of the most affordable courses I have taken. If you guys want access to the course, I do have a link down below, which is a discounted link for you to literally grab this for less than $100 per month. It's super affordable, and you can make $150 to $200 per hour doing these loan signings. Now, before we actually get into this video, I just want to say that when I first heard about this business model from a friend, I just laughed it off because I thought that loan signings was the same thing as notary. Notary is the things where you go to the bank, you get a few documents notarized, and most of the time it's free, or sometimes it's $5 to $10 a page, which is super cheap. So when he told me that he was getting his notary license, I kind of just laughed at him because I was like, how the hell are you going to make any money for number 1 when you could get this done for free, and then number 2, when you do pay, it's most times $5, $10, $15, super cheap. But when I discovered loan signings, I realized that you could make $100, $150, $200 an hour, and that's where the numbers really start to add up. So let's get into the video. Let's see how he does, what do you say, 6, 7 loan signings in a single day.
This is going to be an amazing day. Exactly what I do every day. Just finished.
So what he has is he actually has direct connects. So when you first get started to this business, he actually shows you to get these big loan signing companies, which is dealing with hundreds and hundreds of signings, and they kind of just send you, the weak signings. But what he's actually doing is it looks like he's connected to some sort of escrow officer or title company where they're kind of just dishing him all his closings, and he's kind of got the in-house connect. So he doesn't have to deal with a loan signing service where he's got to drive hundreds of miles or kind of get low rates. He's probably going to his local title company and he's getting in-house deals, and like he said, paying him $150 per closing. And watch what he says.
My 9 o'clock signing that took 30 minutes and I just made $150. So
30 minutes to make $150. You don't got to get dirty. You don't got to really do anything. I like businesses like this. I say it all the time. Some people might laugh at me. I don't like getting my hands dirty. I like using my mind. And the fact that you can literally have some real estate knowledge, which will help you long term, knowing what a reverse mortgage is, knowing what a refinance is, knowing all this terminology, which will help you long term, because I know a lot of you guys eventually want to invest in real estate. It's a double win. Not only do you gain knowledge, and when I was going through the course, I kind of actually knew a lot of the terms, what they already meant: reverse mortgage, VA loan, second mortgage, all these terminologies, because you have to explain them to the borrower. But let me not explain too much. Let me let you guys watch the video.
If you think about becoming a signing agent, this is the best kept secret in the real estate agent industry, excuse me. But yeah, so I'm excited. I'm about to wait for my 10 o'clock appointment. If you guys are thinking about being a signing agent, I'm going to show you today that you can make $150 6 times in a day. So that was $150 that I just made right there. Once again, that is my signing. So
that's a $900 day.
So you're doing a job that takes more than 30 minutes, you're not making $150 for that 30 minutes of work. I think you should become a signing agent.
Signing number 2.
Just finished signing number 2 for the day. So from 9 o'clock to 10:45, I've made $300. Biggest loan signing agent is the best kept secret in the real estate industry. It's not hard, super quick once you get the hang of it, and I teach the loan signing system. All right, just got done with my 2 appointments, headed to 3 more. You can see there. If anybody says it's slow in the loan signing business, it's just not very good at being a loan signing agent, because it's not slow, folks. All right, guys, we just arrived to my 12:30 in suburbia, as you can see. About to go into my 12:30 appointment. Talk to you next.
Let's go back right there. He said 450 made by 1 p.m. As far as the expenses that come with this business, gas, printing the documents, and the upfront cost of getting your notary license and stuff like that, but ain't too much overhead to actually keep this business running.
Guys, just ended my 3rd appointment, headed to my 4th. But once again, these appointments don't take any longer than 30, 45 minutes, guys. I'm showing you right here on Instagram Live exactly what I mean by this. The best kept secret of the real estate industry. Loan signing agents, it's another $150.
When you think about making money in real estate, there's so many different avenues, and most of them take a long time to close a deal. If you're a wholesaler, if you're a real estate fix and flipper, if you do rental properties and acquire long-term rentals, every deal that you do in real estate takes a long time. Even if you're on the agent side and you're helping homeowners acquire their first property or helping people sell their homes, whatever the case may be, those deals could take months. Every real estate deal that I've ever done has taken months. This is something that you could do every single day. Okay, you finish your your main gig, go do 2 signings, make $300. So this is probably the only part of real estate that can actually happen fast. Every other part of real estate, even though real estate is a very smart strategy for building wealth, it's a long-term strategy. It doesn't happen quick, it happens slow. This happens quick. 6:25 for the day, not even 2 p.m.
I think the borrowers are home, so I can't talk that loud. 4th signing of the day, not even 2 o'clock. Note what you're borrowing. Interest rate. That's how you know it's fixed. That's how you know there's no prepayment penalty.
These are terms you're going to want to learn either way.
Principal interest. Tax, insurance.
Everybody should know what all these terms mean. Because whether you're selling a house, your own house, or you have to help a family member, you would be surprised how many people don't know what a prepayment penalty is.
We're good. Bada bing, autograph there. Now my 4th appointment, getting in the car. How long did that take me, guys? 30, 45 minutes tops, $150 per appointment. If people say it's slow, or if people say that appointments take longer than the hour, they don't know what they're doing. If they say it's a slow market, they don't know how to get loan signings. Follow my system, follow my course. I can and will help you. It's so easy. All right, guys, so I'm back at the escrow office to drop off my 2 signings I just did. Remember I told you it was going to be 3 signings, but actually for the
See, just like I called it, he's connected with a in-house escrow officer, somebody that he probably built a relationship with, and the guy's just dishing him all his loan signings or his deals that are about to be closed.
One ended up wanting to sign in the office, so my schedule changed a little bit. So I just knocked out 2 travel appointments. I'm about to do my 3rd one right now. Guys, if everyone always asks, well, how many clients do you need to be a 6-figure signing agent? How many escrow offices do you need? You only need 1. I'll be doing 6 today out of 1 escrow office. You don't need 18 different escrow companies. You need 1 escrow office, 3 or 4 escrow officers. I can teach you how to get it. Bypass the signing service. It's not slow. If a signing agent told you it's slow, it's because they don't know what they're doing. Take my course, follow my instruction. I've helped thousands of people across the country being a signing agent. I'm excited about taking guys. It's not quite over. But once again, I teach the loan signing system. Excited to get you guys started here.
So if you've seen right there, it might even look like the escrow company pays for the printing, because the printing could be an expense that could be costly. If the escrow company pays for the printing, signing number 5 for the day, 150. Today's total today, 775.
All right, guys, I told you I was going to set out to do 3 appointments in the afternoon. There's 1, 2, 3 sets of loan docs. 12 o'clock to 4 o'clock, I cleared $475. If you're not a loan signing agent, I don't know why you're not. I can teach you. And lastly, if you notice, every one of my...
And even me, man, like I said, I've gone through the whole course. It's just now about, getting my notary license and getting out there and doing it even a day a week, 2 days a week. He has a calculator on his site that I've seen, which kind of asks you how many signings you want to do a week. And because I have so many other things going on, I have my real estate business, my trucking business, my medical commodity business, all these other things that I have my attention and my time focused to, I probably won't be able to do 15, 20 signings a week. But if I could do 3, 4 signings a week, that could be an extra $500 a month. And to me, that's cool.
One is the longest one today, and I have now to this point done 5 signings. No signings take longer than 45 minutes. It is a myth it takes an hour, hour and a half, or 2 hours to do a signing. 45 minutes, guys. Remember, packaging is the single best thing for repeat business. Do what the escrow officer is supposed to do, and they give you more business. All the signings I did today. And just like that, 5 signings down, 1 more to go. So you guys have been following me all day from 9 a.m. My last appointment's at 5:30. But like I said, I've already done 5 appointments. If you're not a signing agent, I don't know why. I can teach you. All right, guys, heading to my last appointment of the day. This is a way to make money in the real estate industry.
The fast way to make money in the real estate industry.
$950 today I made.
So there's a breakdown. 9 a.m. 150, 10 a.m. 150, 12:30 175, 2 p.m. 175, 3:30 150, 5:30 150. That's 950 in 1 day.
6 appointments, $950. I don't say that to brag. I don't come. I want to help. Real estate has to have a sign.
So there you guys have it. This to me is one of the fastest ways you can make money in real estate. Not to mention, it's going to teach you terminology that you're going to need and you're going to want when you actually go to make your real estate investments or your real estate purchases. It's a business model that you literally can't go wrong with. So this is something that I'm invested into, that I'm going to actually start implementing very soon. And if you guys are interested in looking to be able to just make an extra $150, even if you do 1 a day or 1 every other day, that could be an extra $500 to $1,000 a month to your income. Go ahead and check out the link description down below. If you guys have any questions or any suggested videos, be sure to comment those down below. Also, drop your comment for your chance to win $50. See you guys later. Peace.